One more class I have given already, that is last class I have given arithmetic progression, that is first part is over. Today we will discuss the second part. So here one formula will be required here. So nth term means in an AP there will be first term, second term, third term, fourth term, dot dot means if it is infinite AP then there will be as many as terms. So if in this AP sometimes question may be asked to find out that particular term, nth term, fifth term, seventh term, 20th term, 100th term, so that is called the nth term of AP. As like for example in an AP you can see here one AP 3, 18, 13, 8, so 3, 8, 13, 18 like that. So this is the AP. So this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So fourth term of AP is 18, third term of AP is 13 like that. So here we will be asked to find out some particular term of the AP. How can we find out? So particular term of AP to find out, we have to find out the n, that is nth term. So now question number in this is your 5.2 exercise. The formula is nth term of an AP. We generally denote an or tn. Sometimes we write tn, sometimes we write an. Nth term, that is formula is a plus n minus 1 into t. A is first term, n is number of term. We have to find out. If it is given, then we can put here, and d is the common difference. Then also that n we can write as L, means last term. That is also called the last term or nth term. That is a plus n minus 1 into d. When the number of term will be given, then we can find out the last term also, or that nth term also. So let us exercise 5.2. So we will start from question B part, question number 4. Question is given. Question number 4 said that which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Which term of the AP? So this is the AP. Which term AP will be 78? Like for example, this is the third term is 13, fourth term is 18, fifth term will be 23. So which term will be 78? So we have to find out the which term, means n value. So let us see. This is 78 given, means this is the nth term already given here. So what are given we have to find out. From here we can find out this is the first term, a is equal to 3. The common difference will be 8 minus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. This is the common difference, and an already given 78. Now we have find out the which term, means nth term. So an already given 78. This is the given one. So an formula is a plus n minus 1 into t equal to 78. Then put the value 3 plus n is not given, so n minus 1 into t is 5 is equal to 78. N minus 1 into 5 you keep, this 3 will be subtracted that side. 78 minus 3 is equal to 75. N minus 1 you keep, 5 will be divided there. 75 divided by 5 is equal to 15. N is equal to minus 1 will be plus 1 that side. 15 plus 1 equal to 16. N means the number of terms. So 16th term of AP will be definitely 78. In this way the question will come. Another type of question, question number 8. Question number 8 says that question number 8 says an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So question what given in an AP, there are how many terms are there? 50 terms are there. That means n value is 50. Then A3 means third term. A3 means third term is already given 12, and A50th term, A50 is equal to 106. So after that it is asking what will be the value of A29, means 29th term will be how much? A29. So to find out the A29 formula will be A plus 28D. A plus 28D. A29 will be A plus 28D. What we need here? A we need and D we need. Whereas A is not given or D is not given. So from the other givens, we have to derive A and D. Then we have to put here. So till that we have to solve this part. That is A3 given 12. A3 means A plus 2D. A4 means A plus 3D. So A plus 2D equal to 12. Then this is equation suppose 1 we have done. Again A50 is equal to 106. A50 means we can write A plus 49D equal to 106 equation 2. So when these two equations we have to solve, that is we will same equal sign are there A and A. We have to subtract. Subtracting anyone from anyone, that is subtracting 2 from 1. So 1 we have to write at the first and 2 we have to write at the down. So now as it is subtracting, so sign of the downside number will be changed. Plus A will be minus A, plus 49D will be minus 49D, plus 106 will be minus 106. A is cancelled, then minus 49D plus 2D is equal to minus 47D equal to 106 minus 12 is equal to minus 94 because minus is greater number. Then minus minus will be cancelled. D equal to 94 divided by 47 equal to 2. D we are getting. So we need what here? A and D. D we have got, but we need the A. To get the A, this D value we have to substitute either this equation or this equation. Suppose I have put the substituting D equal to 2 in equation 1. This equation 1 is A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 2 into D value we have got 2, 12. A plus 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So A and D we have got. Now our target is coming. That is, what is our target? A29. A29 formula is A plus 28D. So A we have got 8 plus 28 into D we have got 2. So 8 plus 56 equal to 64. So 29th term of AP is 64. Clear now? So when some term will be asked, what will be the value of this term? Then we have to find out three things. That is, that term should be mentioned, 29 or 20 or 25. Then A should be given and D should be given. Then we can find out. But if something is not given, its alternate will be given there. From there we have to derive our requirement. Then we have to put them. Then we will come to the question number 11. Question number 11 in your book says that which term of AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 130 more than 54th term? This is your question. From the question what we can get, that is, this is the given AP already given 3, 15, 27, 39 continue. So let the question asking which term of AP will be 132 more than, that is, 54th term. So now according to question, if we will go to make the equation, we can write the nth term. Suppose let the term be n. Nth term of AP minus 54th term should be equal to 132. Nth term of AP minus the 54th term should be equal to 132. So that nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. A n minus A4 54 equal to 132. A n formula is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D minus 54th A4 formula equal to A plus 53D equal to 132. Before that, we have to put the bracket because this is the binomial term is there. So as the sign is minus outside, we have to put it into the bracket. Then we have to solve. A value we have to put 3 plus n minus 1 into 12. D is equal to 12 because 50 minus 3 is equal to 12. A is equal to 3 here. Minus 3 plus 53 into D is equal to 12 is equal to 132. Then you solve this one. 3 plus this 12 you multiply 12n minus 12 minus, then open it, minus 3 minus plus minus 53 into 12 is equal to 636 is equal to 132. Then 3 cancel, then only 12n, and this minus 12 minus 636 will be minus 648 equal to 132. 12n equal to minus will be there 132 plus 648. 12n is equal to adding 780. N is equal to 12 will be divided 65. So 65th term of AP is 132 more than its 54th term. Clear now? So from here you have to understand what is asking, how to make this equation. Then the value required you have to put, then you have to solve it. Similarly, question number 14 in your book, given that question number 14 said, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Means what? Multiple of 4. 4 means multiple of 4 means 4 table. 4, 8, 12, 20, 28, 24, 28 like that. So all the 4 multiple are like that. So we have to see between 10 and 250 what multiples of the 4 are there. So 10 is not divided by 4, 11 is not divided by 4, then after 10 is not there, 11 is not there, 12 is divided by 4, that is 4 3 is 12. So 12 will start as a multiple between 10 and 20. So 12. Next you will get the mark what? You have to add the 4 because 4 multiple. So as it is, we are getting 12 is the first number. Next number will be 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Next number will be 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Next number will be 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Dot dot. It will continue up to how? 250. So let us see. 250 is not the multiple of 4 because when we will go to divide 250 divided by 4, 4 6 is 24, then 1 0, 4 2 is 8, 2 is left. So 250 is not a multiple. So 249 will be not multiple. So how to find out? We will divide 250 divided by 4, then 2 is what called? This 2 is remainder. To find out the number which is divisible by 4 before 250, we have to minus 250 minus this remainder is equal to 2, that is 248. 248 will be latest multiple of 4 before 250. That's why I have written here 12, 16, 20 dot 248. 248 is the last term before 250. So here this is a required FE because 16 minus 12 is equal to 4, 20 minus 16 is equal to 4, 4 difference is there, and this is an FE, required FE is equal to 12, 16, 20, 24 dot dot 248. So here what we are getting the information, we are getting A is equal to 12, D is equal to 12 minus 16 minus 12 is equal to 4, and AN, the last term, that is AN is equal to 248. So now we have to find out what? How many numbers like this 12, 16, 20, 24, how many numbers are there in this FE? That means N is equal to question mark. To find out the N. To find out the N, we have to take this one that is called the AN, this formula. So we have AN is equal to 248. So AN formula we know A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 248. Imply that A value is equal to 12 plus N minus 1 into D value is equal to 4 equal to 48. Then N minus 1 into 4 you keep, 12 will be subtracted there. Then N minus 1 into 4 is equal to N minus 1 into 4 is equal to 30, 248 minus 12 is equal to 236. Then N minus 1 into 4 is equal to 236. N minus 1 is equal to 236 divided by this 4 will be divided here, that is 59. So N is equal to 59. But N is equal to minus 1 will go there. 59 plus 1 is equal to 60. 59 plus 1 equal to 60. So now N minus 1 equal to 59. Therefore, if we divide it, let us see. 4, 5 is 20, 36, 4, 9. Yeah, 59. 59. Then when we will keep the N here, minus 1 will be plus 1. 59 plus 1 equal to 60. Therefore, there are 60. There are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Between 10 and 250, there will be how many? Like that, 60 multiples will be there. So in this way, we have to find out the multiple numbers. And next number, question number 17. Question number 17 says, find 20th term from the last term of given FE 3, 8, 13, 253. So here a little different test question. The test of this question is a little different than the other. Here what is given? The FE is given 3, 8, 13, dot dot 263 like that. So it is one FE is given. So from here we can understand A is equal to 3, D is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, and an last term is equal to 263. This much we can get. So we have written here an is equal to 253. Now we have an is equal to 253 already from the given. So that formula we have to put an formula a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 253. Then a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 5 to 53. After solution, we will get similarly as we have solved here. We will get n is equal to 50 plus 1 equal to 51. There are 51 terms are there in this AP. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this 51 terms will be in the AP. But question is asking, you have to find out the 20th term from the last. Generally what we do, if an AP is given, suppose if an AP is given, we are given suppose one AP. For example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, dot, suppose this is an AP, 5 difference. So it is given to find out the, suppose I will say you find out 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth term of AP, that is 25 we have to find out. By the formula we can find out from the first term. But here the question is asking twisting, that is the 20th term, not this is fifth term from the starting, but here it is asking 20th term from the last, not from the first, from the last. So from the last, how can we find out the 20th term? If it is a 20th term from the first, then normally we can find out. Normally we the 20th term, we have to find out what 20th term from the last of the AP, not from the first of the AP. This is very important question. You have to keep in your mind. What is asking from the last of the AP. So if last of the AP, we have to see in different way. So here we are having total how many terms are there? 51 terms. N value is coming 51 means total terms are there 51. So if it will be given to find out the 20th term, then we will find out A20. A20 means A plus 19D. So then we can put the value and we can get the answer. But here it is given 20th term from the last. Then we cannot put this formula. So what we have to do? We have to see what term from the first. That we have to find out. So 20th term from the last term of the given AP will be 51. How many terms are there? 51 minus what is asking which term? 20. 51 minus 20. How many terms are left? Then 31 terms are left. Then we have to add 1 there to get the our desired term, that is 32 term. So total term is 51 minus asking 20 term. 51 minus 20 is equal to 31. Generally we have to take next number, that is 32th term, 32nd term of from the starting. This 32 will be from the starting only. So that's why 20th term from the last is equal to 32th term from the first. So that is 32 term is equal to A32. A32 formula is equal to A plus 31D. So A is equal to 3 plus 31 into D is equal to 5. 3 plus 155 is equal to 158. So the 20th term from the last will be 158, which will be 32nd term from the first. So this is the chapter 5.2. Different test of questions are I have discussed here. Some other questions are left which similar to all this question. You have to make it practice. You have to find out the answer. And if you get any problem, call me on this number 97744929977 number. You can call me or you can go for the WhatsApp also. You can ask the question, you can inbox it WhatsApp, or you can write the comment in the YouTube also. So that's up to that. 5.2 is over. Next class we will go for 5.3. Till that, thank you very much.